What's the best solution for my snoring? What's the best anti-snoring product? We get these questions from customers almost daily, and we've been providing advice on this for years. I'll introduce you to the 5 best anti-snoring products, tell you when to use them and what to look for when choosing. By far, the most proven anti-snoring products are mandibular advancement devices, so-called MADs, whose effectiveness has been clearly demonstrated in numerous studies. You insert a MAD into your mouth before bed. Once in place, it gently pulls your lower jaw forward, keeping your airways open. We recommend them when snoring occurs mainly or exclusively while sleeping on your back. This happens when the relaxed tongue slides into the throat area. If snoring occurs with equal intensity while lying on your side, we are pretty hesitant to recommend them, as the cause isn't related to the tongue blocking the airway in these cases. When selecting an MAD, look for adjustable advancement in multiple steps, good lateral jaw joint mobility, and third, minimal material in the mouth. For back sleeping snorers, positional therapy devices are a good alternative to MADs. We recommend them when customers can't imagine wearing a device in their mouth long term. The positional therapy devices keep users on the side, preventing the tongue from sliding into the throat. This keeps the airway open and stops or at least reduces snoring. Electronic positional trainers are clearly gaining popularity among positional therapy devices. They emit a vibration alarm when the users lie on their back and remain quiet when they are on their side. This unconsciously trains users to sleep on their side, an effective principle proven in several clinical studies. The older but well-established approach to positional therapy involves wearing an object on your back, nowadays such as a roll or a large air cushion in backpack form. In the past, tennis balls were pretty popular. These can be attached to shirts or vests. This makes sleeping on your back difficult or even impossible, forcing side sleeping. The 4th product category is nasal dilators. These can help when snoring is caused by narrow or blocked nasal passages. Nasal dilators open the nostrils, allowing more air through the nose. They are very affordable and thus popular as entry-level products. However, my years of experience show that while they work well as a kind of supplement, they are often insufficient to completely eliminate snoring. When choosing nasal dilators, I recommend starter packs that include multiple sizes. However, some round-shaped dilators come in a one-size-fits-all design that works well. The 5th product is an anti-snoring oral device, relatively unknown, but which addresses a very common cause of snoring: mouth breathing during sleep. This occurs when sleeping with an open mouth, causing palatal tissue to vibrate. These vibrations are perceived as snoring. An anti-snoring oral device, also called a vestibular shield, blocks mouth breathing and promotes nasal breathing during sleep. We especially recommend it when snoring is equally intense on both side and back positions. Not sure which anti-snoring product is right for you? Here is a tip. Take our free anti-snoring test. Answer a few questions and you will receive a clear recommendation for your snoring solution. I've included the link to the test below in the video description. See you soon!